it's Marcy. I'm here to introduce the May contest for my Facebook group. And this month we're going to be making altered library cards. The library cards and the pockets. And in my group, I will link it below, you can request a set of 5 pages. These are the bits and pieces from different kits that I have. Everything that you need to make an altered library card. And there's different sets. This is Lilacs. There's also Hydrangeas and Timeless, which is pretty roses in pinks and blues. And then there's Watercolor Roses, which is pink, a pink set. And then there's an autumn set, Autumn Delight. No, Autumn, I can't remember. It's an autumn set. And so for those of you in the Southern Hemisphere, you know, it might be more appropriate to your season at the moment. So you will get a page that matches whichever kit that you want to work with, a page with a library card in a pocket and some other things on it, depending on the kit. Then 2 other pages with ephemera and fussy cuts, and then a page with faux stamps, faux postage stamps. So hopefully, you know, for example, I would, with this particular kit, I could use this set, I could use this one, and there's just different ones that would coordinate with it, with the colors, the purples. Okay, and then you get also a backing sheet, so you can print on the back. I printed on the back of these 2 with my, you know, the tags and the, so when I fold up my library card, it won't be white on the inside. And these I didn't print because these are going to be things that I'll cut out and adhere, you know, glue down. So I won't need a backing page on those. Now, if you're not sure how to print, you know, a lot of people say to me, my printer doesn't print double-sided. Well, yes, it does. You just have to know how to fool it, because your printer doesn't know if you're putting in a blank sheet of paper or a piece of paper that already has printing on one side of it. It doesn't know that. So mine, for example, it comes out this way and it prints, the printed side is face up. So what do? When I put it back in, I just turn it over and I print on this side. And it doesn't matter if it lines up or not, because I'm just printing a backing sheet. If you were trying to, you know, do like the back side of these tags, you'd probably never get it to line up, because home printers are not designed to do that. That's offset printers do that, where they print exactly on the back. That's a whole other ball game. So I just wanted to show you briefly how to, because some people, you know, I made these, some people didn't even know what are you talking about, a pocket for a library card, and they didn't even, this is the style of library card that we had when I was a girl. I don't know if they still have them in the US or not, in the libraries, because I've been living in Italy for over 20 years, so but these are these pockets will be glued down on the inside of a library book, on the inside front cover, and then the card would be stuck in here, and it would say, you know, the date and the due date or whatever. This is kind of a really old one, and then there was a less old one, and I don't know what they have now. So I'm going to pause this. I will cut these out and show you how to put it together. And as long as I'm cutting things out and showing you how, a lot of people have been confused about, in some of my kits, there are this is a pocket, and they weren't sure how to do that. So I'll show you that also, okay? Be right back. Okay, so I cut out my library card. I left the black lines, okay? And I cut out my pocket, and I removed the black lines. And so I printed on the back, remember? So now what I'm going to do is fold right here, right at this part. And if you have trouble lining it up, you know, you could use your scoreboard if you have one, but if you don't, just take a ruler and line up these two corners, you see it? And just make a little mark, press it down, and now you have a line that you can fold. I don't have to worry about it being straight or not. Wait a second, let me get out my craft mat. Okay. So then I'm just gonna flatten that out. Now, this is the front of the card, of the pocket, sorry. And what you can do is these flaps, you can fold them over like this. And then this would be, if it was a real library card pocket, you would glue this to the inside front cover, and your card goes right in there, pops right in. Now, if you want this a little bit, I mean, because there's plenty of room there to put more stuff, but if, say, you want to really overstuff it, you can do is, instead of gluing them around the back like this, you can glue it to the front. Put your glue here. So it's like a gusset now. And that you could really overstuff that pocket. So it's just however you want to do it. I'm going to do mine this way. Just the old-fashioned way. And I'm going to, of course, my glue is not coming out. You know, whenever you're on camera. Where's the pin? Here's my pin. Get that. Well, look, fix that. I'll fix you. Okay, so just glue her down. Glue down the flaps. And you can use this as a floating pocket in your journal or whatever. I think this would kind of make a cute greeting card too, to be honest. You could make a little envelope for it, or just decorate it up and do it like a Happy Mail without any, you know what I'm talking about? Those Happy Mail, those stuffed envelopes, those stuffed pockets. Okay, so there we go. And I'm going to flatten that real nice. I just like it to be nice and flat. And here, I painted on the back of my card too, so that's, and I've decorated it, but you can put, you know, like I said, the contest is to do altered cards, so you decorate them any way you want. I've given you lots and lots of things to use, pieces of ephemera, labels, or other fussy cuts, faux postage stamps, lots of stuff. These strips too, these are like digital washi tape, so you just cut out the strips and then glue it down like any that you would use washi tape. So make it, you know, use your creativity, make it whatever you want. Now let's talk about this little pocket here. You fold in the side flaps and the bottom flap, and it makes a pocket that is exactly the right size for these skinny tags. There's tall ones and shorter ones, and they fit perfectly in here once you folded it. So again, I just take, to get it nice and straight, because I don't like to make lines. I don't like to make fold lines, because then later they're still there and you could see them, and I don't really care for that. So you just hold it to where you got it lined up and it's straight, and you just flip them over the side of your ruler, and you are good to go. Get it straight, Marcy. If you don't think you can get it straight, you know, you could draw lines with a pencil and then fold it that way. And then you just fold these down. With your ball and folder, press them down good. Now what I like to do is I like to put the bottom part on the top so that when I stick the tag in, because if you put it this way, it's gonna bump into that. Okay, so I just glue it in like this, put a drop of glue on each little corner. Hello. Oh, I left the pin out for too long and it's got stuff in there. Okay, so just give it a little shot of glue there. Hold it for a couple seconds. And this is ready to glue down to your page or wherever you want it. And you put your tags in there, okay? So come sign up, join the group. There's a link below. Come in, choose which kit you want to work with. Like I said, there's lilacs, hydrangeas. Oh, there's cats and dogs also. There's autumn, and there's timeless, and there is watercolor roses. So you have 6 different kits to choose from, mini kits, and you have 5 pages of free printables from me. And whatever you make then is going to end up matching the full kit if you choose to purchase it. Now, listen, I don't expect anyone to buy anything. I want it to be fun. I have the contests. I give out prizes. I want people to have fun. I want everyone to be able to participate. So if you never buy any of my stuff, hey, that's fine with me. Okay, I'm saying if you say you have already some of my kits and you want to make do this project wouldn't this look cute? Oh look, another pocket and a pocket. Sorry, interrupting myself. I'm always creating, even in my sleep. I'm crafting. So you see what I'm saying? Don't think that I'm inviting you to join my group because I want you to spend money. I want you to come in, have fun. Everybody wins something, okay? Everyone who participates in the contests will win something, and come in, have fun. But if you do later on decide to buy a kit, you already have some pieces that you made up that'll go in it, let's just have fun, okay? Check out last month's too. Last month we did the tea bag tags. I have these printables just lying here. These kits are going to be in my shops pretty soon. I realized these are the prototypes that we worked with for the contest, and I realized it needed a few little modifications. So as soon as I get those done, those links are going to be up too. So come in, have fun. Let's make stuff together, and have a great day or night, wherever you are. Bye-bye.